So I'm going to show you Hill of the Nymphs. It's a very nice chill spot. Here you'll see some nymphs dancing and satyrs playing the pan flute. And this guy over here will tell you to press P on the statue, Hail Dionysus, and let's see what happens. So, when you unlock Dionysus, you could start getting XP, and everything's Gucci. So yeah, there has been a world of difference since my last devlog. I've been thinking a lot about where I want the game to go, what direction, what goals, and everything. And I felt like I needed some inspiration. And with me being an extreme person, there is only one thing to do. So yeah, I feel very fortunate that I was able to take a nice trip to Athens. The shots from here come from the Acropolis. It's that hill that is in Athens. And here there is Athena's temple, which is called the Parthenon. They started building this like 2,400 years ago. So just to be in the presence of such great history, it was such an amazing experience. I also learned a lot from the Acropolis Museum, which is very close. I didn't even know, but actually the name Athens comes from the goddess Athena. And in the museum, I learned that there was a contest between Poseidon and Athena over who will be the defender of the city of Athens. And Athena was the winner. It was said, Athena brought forth an olive tree from the ground by the touch of her spear, and she was proclaimed the victor. The olive was fundamental to Athenian economy and life. For those of you who wonder what Poseidon did, he struck with his trident and produced a salt spring or a horse. I did salvage a very important image from the museum, and that was a model of ancient Athens. Everything here has labels, so I can really make an accurate depiction of the city. As you can see here on number 20, there's Hill of the Nymphs, which is where I got my inspiration for that rowdy scene that we saw before. So after visiting the Parthenon and learning so much about the Greek gods, I realized that my game must have mythology. And after a lot of thinking and deliberation, I decided to have a skill tree based on the gods. In the game, you will have XP, but not general XP. It will be XP specific to a certain god. So you'll have like Athena XP, Ares XP, etc, etc. When you start the game, you'll have an empty skill book. In order to unlock a god, you need to look around the map and look for their statue. The gods will be in an area that resembles them, and maybe some gods will require more work to access. Each god's XP will look different. Every time you level up, you can unlock items or abilities related to that god. The more you learn or know about a god, the easier it'll be to get XP because you'll know what is related to that god and what you can do. If you stuck around this long, thank you so much. I'm having a lot of fun developing the game. Yeah, so if you want to follow me on the development process, I stream on Twitch a bunch. I haven't come up with a schedule, but I will. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, leave them below, and I will be very happy to address them. I think next time I might work on the combat system because it's not even anything, honestly, at this point. But thank you again for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.